Bonafide Hustler here, and we have another general thrift vlog, a vlog where we show what we buy, what we resell from thrift stores and garage sales. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris, the Bonafide Hustler, coming to you live from the inside of my Boddamn gym. Have you subscribed to Boddamn yet? That's right, it's my workout channel. It's my fitness escapade. You can go check it out. It's under Boddamn, Boddamn. But that's not what this video is about. This is about reselling, and this is about just random journey and some of the things that I buy and resell and kind of like the outcomes, right? So don't forget to follow me on Instagram at the Bonafide Hustler, and you can find the free money-making guide. It's the first link down below. It's right here. It'll teach you 50 items to buy and resell that you can commonly find at thrift stores and garage sales. It's the first link down below. Go check it out. All right, so we begin the video with this find right here. Got to ship these off. These are some Santa Cruz vintage bullet wheels. Pretty neat. Not something you see every single day. They came in a $5 lot of roller skates plus the case. But yeah, the video is about these wheels right here, right? So yeah, these are pretty cool. They sold for 45 bucks. Gonna get them shipped off. Pretty nice. Want to show them on the video real quick. And we also sold this right here, which is Alien Resurrection. It's part of a PS1 game lot that I got, and it's just some of the last straggler games. I think this one sold for $45 as well. I've never played this game. It does look kind of cool. Let me know down below if you've played this, but this is PS1, so you know, you're kind of dating yourself if you actually comment. I played PS1 though. Yeah, I played Siphon Filter and Gran Turismo, and I'm 44 years old. PS1 was a pretty decent system. I liked it a lot. I spent a lot of time. There was one race on Gran Turismo. I'm not even kidding. It took me like a day. I don't know how many laps it was, maybe like 70 or 120 laps. And I had a Nissan Skyline fully juiced up, like twin turbo, everything. And I think by the time I won and I got first place, after like a day of playing, or maybe 2 days of playing, I think I was 4 to 6 laps ahead of second place. It was a really long race. And I remember you had to like come in and pit and change your tires out and everything like that because your tires would progressively wear down during the race. It was kind of crazy. Anyway, if you know what I'm talking about, please comment down below. It's kind of a weird thing because now I'm getting to that uber niche, like video gamer that's my age group, you know, that played this and might know what I'm talking about, but the rest of y'all don't. Sorry. But yeah, that was a fond memory of PS1. Besides Siphon Filter, that was a good game too. But yeah, let's see where the rest of this thrift vlog takes us. I'm gonna put this stuff in a little box with some padded stuff. We'll see what else we can buy and resell. Okay, so we have some things that we're actually like a day down the road. We have some things that have to go out to eBay. And so they're right here. We have actually this like Pendleton blanket thing. It's actually called like a Beaver State / Pendleton. What is it called? Something the horse, celebrate the horse blanket's pretty neat. It's sold for $119, I believe. And I bought that for 10 bucks on a garage sale vlog like a month and a half ago, maybe a month ago, something like that. So that's pretty cool. That has to get out of here. And then in the box right next to it, which is right there, we have a pair of goalie roller skates or roller blades. They're very, very tough and well built. I mean, they're goalie skates. I mean, they're going to be constantly shot at, and there's a lot of impact and a lot of laying it down. And so there's a bunch of reinforcement on these skates. It's pretty cool. I think I bought these for $4 or $5 at a Savers. They sold for $99, if I'm not mistaken. So that's pretty neat. That's got to get out of here, and we'll see where the rest of the vlog takes us. I actually canceled an order for 2 BMW kind of saddlebags, you know, for like an old, I think like 90s BMW bike. They're like the plastic things that go on the side of the bike so you can put like some of your stuff in there. I mean, I canceled the order, first of all, because I couldn't, what was it? Oh yeah, I found a crack on one of the boxes. I don't even know how one of these cans or these side boxes had a crack on it that I didn't see when I shot the pictures. And I don't know if the crack just occurred because of the heat here in Austin, Texas, or there was some impact related to something that happened when I didn't see it like fall off the shelf in the garage. I have no idea. So I had to cancel the order. And then the guy was like, you know what? I still want it with a crack. I was like, okay. So then I relisted the item, and then these things are huge. So then I made a box, right? And after that, I went to the eBay thing, and you know, obviously I'm not gonna ship it USPS because that's crazy unless if it's like the state over, and then it would make some sense. But this thing was in California. I live in Austin, Texas, and shipping out to a PO box in California, I'm not sure if just UPS and FedEx don't deal with PO boxes, and that's the reason why they both declined. Like you couldn't even pick it on eBay. which is like the main thing that when a box gets big, like I pick FedEx or UPS, like that's just what you do because you save a lot of money that way. And that wasn't even an option. So then I had to cancel this thing a second time. Ugh. Anyway, it's just one of those days, you know? I really want the money, but it makes no sense because to ship this off USPS, each box, okay, because there's two of those things on this, you know, each side of the bike. So I have 2 bike storage containers in 2 different boxes, shipping quote, because I sold it for $159 for both of them, shipping quote, $99 each. What? I can't do it. So then I had to cancel it again. So annoying. That said, we went thrifting yesterday. We found some cool things. Some of it already went to the booth. Damn, like my girlfriend already took this stuff to the booth. My girlfriend bought a Tiffany style floor lamp on Facebook Marketplace. It's pretty neat. Maybe I can find a picture and put it right here. I'm not sure, but I'll find something that looks like it. The thing was huge, man. It was so cool. She bought it for $50. She's probably gonna end up selling that thing for $300 in my booth. Those Tiffany style lamps go fast. What else did she buy? She bought this like triple X looking coat, which is like really big, like leather, almost like Colorado style, Yellowstone style, but it was like really long, you know? So she bought that for $8. She put that in the booth, I think for like $150. And then she bought a Coldwater Creek kind of garment, that kind of Aztec-y blazer looking thing, you know? And I think she reaped out the Coldwater Creek tag, I think, I'm not sure. That was $8. I'm pretty sure she put it in for like 100. So, and then we found a bike that's sitting back here. It's a Trek 7000 commuter bike. We bought it for $45 at a Goodwill. Can't believe it was there. Needs nothing. Just needed air in the tires. We did switch out the seat because the seat was kind of toast, but it was like a really good bike. Listed it for $250. Got an inquiry today, and we might get that thing sold today. It's possible. So could be $200 in profit on that Bikes to Bucks. Anyway, what a day. What a day. Some of the days are great. You know, it's good to make money, but some of the days have headaches. They just do. All right, so we're at next day, and we have Final Fantasy right here. This is part of a PS1 game lot that I bought. Anyway, I've sold so many games from this game lot, and this is one of the last ones to go. Sold for $59, which is not too bad. It's a double or maybe a triple disc set. Pretty cool. Everything's in here. So yeah, we got to get this boxed up and out of here. And oh yeah, here's the here are those like motorcycle pannier looking things. They're sitting in these boxes, but these things came in at $100 a piece to ship out. So I'm going to be opening up those boxes. I'm probably going to take those cans or those panniers and put them in the booth, and that'll be it. Yeah, it's like super annoying. But how can FedEx or UPS not take these? I mean, is it a P.O. Box thing, or is this just too big of a dimension? I don't get it. There's a guy walking away with a bike that I bought, I think last week for $120. We sold it for $300. It was a Cannondale CAD 8, pretty awesome bike. Dude took it for a quick spin around here. I'm in campus area. I was gonna be here anyway, so I brought it to him. You know, 180 cash Bikes to Bucks, that's what's up. Now that is actually a road bike that my girlfriend found. She's actually right here, but she found it last weekend. We went out to Round Rock, Texas, which was only like a 20-minute drive to go get this bike for $120. There's $300 cash somewhere in here. Here we go, and pretty good. Some Bikes to Bucks, of course. Why not? Okay, we're gonna try to get this bike sold right here. Got it from a Goodwill, like $44 a couple days ago. And the people are here. Let's get this thing sold. Oh my gosh, I'm telling you, I just got done with a bike ride, and then 5 minutes later, I'm selling a bike. It is 102 degrees here in Austin, Texas, but we have 200. That makes it a little cooler, you know? Oh, that fan. Whew. I'm telling you, a cheddar fan, guys, is the only way to keep cool. If you're a cheddar hunter, that is. Okay, so we did find some cool things at thrift stores today. I'll show you that here in 1 second. Yeah, we actually went for 3.5 hours today. My girlfriend and I, we found some cool things. She found some cool things, and I'll share it with y'all. By the time that you see this video, though, I believe this thing called Just the Finds will be out, okay? It's a Patreon. Actually, Bonafide Hustler Patreon is just gonna be alive and kicking. So I think second link down below, please go check it out. Insane deals on the actual Patreon. I'm telling you right now, these videos, Just the Finds, are videos about some of the finds that I get from thrift stores and garage sales. And you're gonna learn so much through them. The first video edited is like 40 minutes long, 36 minutes long. The second video that I edited was like 56 minutes long. So these Just the Finds videos are going to be on Patreon, right? And it's aimed to teach you exactly like how my mind works with these products the second that I get them, and the reason why I bought them. A lot more in depth than what you ever have seen on Bonafide Hustler garage sale runs you know, thrift store runs, all that kind of stuff. It's just way more in depth and it's way more raw, okay? So there's no fancy editing, no whip shots, no explosions of dopios or anything like that. It is just to teach you guys how to make some really good money. So the Just the Finds thing is definitely on Patreon, among some other things. So go check it out, second link down below, and let's go look at those thrift store finds from today. Okay, so I'm all showered up. I feel so much better, but I am in my goddamn garage, and I'm gonna show you the thrift finds from today. Check them out. Okay, not these. My girlfriend found those yesterday, but we got this awesome purse. Forget who this is made by, it's pretty neat. This is a Patricia Nash, I think. Look at this purse, probably gonna sell for like $150. We got into this one today for $14. That was found as a Goodwill. I advised my girlfriend to buy this jacket. It's a Wilson's leather jacket, but it's really cool looking. I love those buttons right there. Yeah, this was 20, probably 2 out the door at a thrift store. Probably gonna sell this in the booth for like 100 easily. This will sell in the booth for around 50 to 60. A vintage ski vest, pretty cool. We got into this one for like $6. And then she got some Allen Edmonds. This one right here are the Byron model. She'll probably end up selling them for like 120 to 140. We're into these for right around 15 out the door. Not too bad. And then today from thrift stores, I bought this random kind of genuine leather jacket. It's nothing super crazy. It has this kind of faux fur interior, but the actual exterior is pretty neat. It's double stitched in places too, so it almost looks like a cool jacket. You have simple button, not even zipper kind of closure. It's real raw looking. It's very heavy and very thick. I paid $22 for this, and I think in the booth this is going to sell for 100 all day. And then the big winner for me today, at least, was this 800 fill North Face down jacket. It's 800 fill. We have it on the sleeve on one of these sleeves. Anyway, actually, this is the back of the jacket. So here's the front of the jacket. I paid $33 for this thing. Yeah, a little bit higher than normal, but it is an 800 fill gore stopper jacket as well, right? We have a gore wind stopper right there. You look at this right here, and we have the 800 right there. So it's an 800 fill complete down, not synthetic down or anything like that. $33. This will probably sell for 150 to probably 190 is my guess right here. Really nice finds for today. There are other finds in this garage, but you know, we talk about this stuff on Just the Finds as well. There's just so much stuff that go on in those videos. So I'm trying to shoot just about every find that I find and put it on Just the Finds, but it's just a lot of good finds. It's not every single thing, but it's a lot of good things. So anyway, it's just a bunch of stuff in this garage. But that's where we're gonna end this video. Check out the second link down below. Get on the Bonafide Hustler Patreon. I mean, come on, you're gonna wanna learn a lot of things. It's really cool. But I hope you enjoyed this thrift vlog. It's just all over the place, and I think that's what thrifting really is, at least in the Bonafide Hustler sense. So put a like, hit a comment, and hit the subscribe. I'll see you in the next Bonafide Hustler video. Take it easy. Goodbye.